Hi class, this is Kasey Helm, and for my week 2 video for rich media optimization, I'm going to be going over the advantages of using SVG file format, also known as scalable vector graphics. The first thing, which is very advantageous, and you might not actually know about SVG, is that it's text-based, meaning that the file itself, while it looks like an image, is actually, you can actually open it up in a text editor and edit the words inside the file, and then that actually changes the image. And the advantage to this is that when search engines, for search engine optimization, it scales, it looks at words, keywords, things like that. So if you're using a JPEG, you're limited to the actual title of your photo or image. With SVG, the search engine actually looks through the wording in the file itself. So you can actually use a lot more descriptions of that in order to help your search engine optimization. Another thing is that SVG is obviously vector based, and so that means it works really well for responsive web design because whether you're using a cell phone or a laptop or a big TV screen to view your website, the vector is going to keep its quality no matter what size the image is. Versus raster, I'm sure the bigger the image is, you're going to start seeing those pixels and those dots, and it's going to become distorted. Not with SVG, that doesn't happen. Also with SVG, it's another reason it's advantageous over JPEG is because, as you know, JPEG images, the bigger you make an image, the bigger file size it's going to be. That's not so with SVG. You can have your logo the size of 640 by 480, or you can expand it to 1080 by 720 or whatever, and it's going to be the same file size, which is very advantageous for keeping load times on your website down. So yeah, overall, I think SVG file format is something that the web design world really needs to start getting used to and start adapting to, because obviously there's situations where it can be very useful and very helpful. So thanks for watching my video. Again, my name is Kasey Helm. I hope it was informative. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thanks again.